Hello everybody, this is searchingjobs.com and we're once again taking a look at the Sony Xperia S, but this time we're taking a look at NFC specifically, and also the differences between NFC on Gingerbread and NFC built in Ice Cream Sandwich. Okay, so we'll talk about Ice Cream Sandwich a little later, and Android Beam in Ice Cream Sandwich a little later. Right now we'll go specifically into the Xperia S and NFC. So obviously it's running Gingerbread, and obviously Gingerbread doesn't have a NFC management built right into the OS itself. So the NFC management is not as efficient as Android Beam. You'll see that later. So when you have an NFC device, NFC Android device, it will come with a pre-installed application. In this case, with the Xperia S, it comes with this application called Tags. So what is this application all about? It's actually, let me just delete this so that we can do the demo. Alright, so what is NFC Tags all about? The application, it's sort of like a NFC tag app management tool that you can use. So when you share tags and it comes across, you get them in this inbox. There's 3 panels, so you get this. This is the inbox. When you get tags, they come here for you to look and see and do whatever you want with it. And then in the second panel, it's Start. This is obviously your favorites. So if you have favorite tags, like maybe your contacts or your website that you want to share across, you can place them here. And in the third panel is where you create tags. So this is one that we've pre-created earlier. So you can create 3 types of tags with this application. You have contact, URL, and text files that you can share across. There are obviously other applications in the Android market that allow you to do a lot more of NFC. Specifically, you can share bigger files across, like pictures and things like that, but that's done via Bluetooth. NFC is the initial pairing, but the problem with that is you need both devices to run the same application to allow you to do that. Okay, so right now practically this is the only thing you can do with NFC built in. Okay, so that's the application. So we're just going to demonstrate NFC to you. What we'll do is we'll share a video across. So we've created a tag. Let's start the process from the beginning. Alright, so this is a video this is one of our videos we created. So
hello everybody,
alright, so this is proper video. So if you want to send this across, what you need to do is you need to create a tag. How do you create a tag on a Gingerbread device? You need to tap the share button, share icon obviously, and then choose the application, the NFC application. In this case it's called My Tag. You just tap on that and then create the tag. So this is already automatically added on, and you tap on save and you have a tag. So this is ready to be shared. What you need to do is just enable it. So let's just do that. That's done, and we'll share it across. So we're going to share it across to the Galaxy Nexus running Ice Cream Sandwich and also with Android Beam. So let's just do that. Right, it goes across and automatically switches on the application.
Hello everybody,
Alright, so that works. Okay, so we've now moved on to Ice Cream Sandwich on the Galaxy Nexus with Android Beam. The difference with a Gingerbread device and Ice Cream Sandwich devices with Android Beam, when you receive NFC tags, it will open the relevant application. For example, I sent across this YouTube video, so it opened the YouTube application. If you send a browser link, it will open a browser application. Okay, alright, let's try and share the same tag across to the Xperia S. So we found out there's sort of like a bug. I think it's mostly related to the application. When we send across YouTube NFC tags across to this device or using this application, it doesn't recognize it, so you can't really open it. So we'll show you what we mean. Okay, so previously with Gingerbread, you recall I had to tap on share, and I had to look for the NFC application, and I had to tap on it and create a tag. With Android Beam, you don't have to anymore. All you need to do is just have this the thing that you want to share active in the active window. So in this case, this video that I want to share across, have it in the active window, and then just tap the two NFC sensors together, and it says that touch to beam, and voila, I've sent it across. Okay, so I've sent the video across, and as you can see, it says that I don't know whether you can see it. It says the NFC tag collected. Okay, so the problem is it says that it's collected, but when you go into the inbox, that's it says that the time that the tag was received, but when you try to access or open the tag, there's actually nothing in the tag. There's no YouTube URL. So this only happens when we share YouTube links across. Maybe it's because of the application, but when we try to share a browser link across, it works. So let me just show you that. Okay, so we have a browser, loaded. Again, we're going to share this across. Again, we don't have to create a tag like the Gingerbread device. We on this one, I don't even have the option. I don't need to do it. All I need to do is have that the window active, and tap and touch to beam, and we're done. So in this case, you can see the difference. This one has a URL specific to the one I wanted to share, and this time it works. So it opens the link that I wanted to share. Again, I wanted to point out that with Android Beam, links that NFC tags shared across will open applications automatically. With Gingerbread, depending on the NFC application that you have, it doesn't work. So there's an extra tap for you to open the application that's relevant to the tag that you share. Okay, so that's pretty much it with regards to NFC tags. We've also gotten a lot of comments and questions from you guys with regards to the device. Hey, thanks very much for all the questions and comments. We're just going to answer some of the more frequently asked ones. Question number one, where are the smart tags? When we did the unboxing, how come there wasn't any smart tags included in the box? Well, in Malaysia, it didn't come with smart tags, but Sony and Sony Ericsson are known to offer a lot of accessories out of the box. We call them out of the box bundles. So we're hoping that when Sony launches the Xperia S right here in Malaysia, hopefully soon, they'll offer smart tags as an out of the box bundle. If they do, that's awesome. That's really cool, because I think a lot of you guys, especially Malaysians out there that's getting the device, would like to have smart tags as well. Alright, the second question that we get quite frequently is with regards to the transparent belt. Yes, a lot of you have been asking whether this is you can change the color. There's an option to change the color. Unfortunately, for the Xperia S, no, you can't change the color of the LED in the transparent belt for the Xperia S. I think for the Xperia P, Xperia U, you're able to change the colors. For this one, no, you can't. And also, this is not really a notification LED. The notification LED for this device is somewhere around here. I think you can see it. Alright. So with this one, it only lights up when you get calls. If you get SMSs or if you get emails or WhatsApp messages, it doesn't light up. So it only lights up for calls. So technically, it's not really a notification LED. And again, this button is really, still haven't gotten the hang of it. Okay, well, apparently there's a sweet spot somewhere in between the icon and the button. So if you tap, if you tap at the right place, you'll get the thing to do with the action. But this is a problem for the Xperia S. It's quite annoying. Okay, I think that's pretty much it with regards to the device. We'll do a proper review coming up on searchinshow.com pretty soon, so keep it locked on. to our website. Once again, everybody, thanks very much for watching the video. Thanks very much for your comments. Keep them coming, and we really enjoy reading them. We'll try to answer them as much as we can. And as always, thanks very much for liking and subscribing to our channel. This is SoyChinchan.com. Catch you guys.